Hi everyone, my name is Leon Ashlang and I'm passionate about creativity and technology. I aspire to become a graphic designer and a game developer. But if life takes me another direction, I'm ready to embrace whatever comes my way with an open and determination. Skills and goals. I've been practicing digital illustration, photo editing, and UI design. I love bringing concepts to life through creative visuals. I'm working on gaining experience in Unity and C Sharp, aiming to create a immersive experience that entertain and educate. Although still a student, I'm driving by the goal to keep improving, whether it's mastering new tools or developing my own projects. One thing I've learned during my studies is that it's not about knowing everything at once, but embracing continuous learning. Whether it's graphic design or game development, I believe in growing by experimenting, making mistakes, and improving. So my advice for anyone is starting their journey or game development is don't be afraid to fail. Each mistake is a chance to learn something new. Keep pushing forward and don't rush the process.